toys yan sa akin. Nasunod kasi dami yan toys. Oh, galing. Very good. Sige lang yung rice. Galing yan baby ko. Ate, tas dito. Pop Mart ate, Pop Mart yan, Pop Mart. Dali, ate ate, Pop Mart yan. Galing natin kung masakit ate, Pop Mart. Oh, galing mo. Pop Mart. In my baggage bag, there's a Pop Mart. Galing. Left, left, right, right, left, right, left. Galing yung baby yan. Pop Mart, magaling ang Pop Mart. Mystery Pop Mart box. Galing. O sige, galing. Sabihin ako sa mga yan, Gabriel. Sama yan sa real natin. Break time agad. Ano ba kang baby? Ano pa baby? Ano pa na? Ito pala yun eh. Kawin na. Very good na, very good. Ano pa kang baby ka?
Spicy nga. Ito hindi.
Yun na. Smile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, ngayon pala. May fireworks. Okay. Ano fireworks? Yan, game. Dito. Go. Day. Galing. Galing sila ni baby. Ito, galing ang backtrack. First day.
Uy, ulit mo. Wala pa yung tao.
Good morning. Good morning. I will get watermelon. Zero.
that or go up and then sprinkle down. Just like. But that is just a handkerchief. Or how about you, Ate? I'm gonna let you try this one. We have this empty patina one. Blow on the top. 1, 2, 3. Look. We'll have some flower. Then I also have this one, no? We have this one, big guys. Oh, Ate, can you bring it? Yes, dito ka. Dito ka. Dito ka.
Gan, like ate. Gan.
Dito ka, like this.
Do like this. Yeah.
That's right. You just have to shoot the dice only. 1, 2.
Ano, baby? Dali.
In that drawings will have some colors. See? O yung blow, Ate, blow. Di ba kanina may laman pa? This time, that is this color rainbow. And then, halimbawa, sir, ma'am, pag may gusto po sila, I also teach it here. So, pwede siya maging souvenir. Halimbawa, meron sila mga talent sa school, even their birthday po, nila sila yung magmamagic po. Alright? Okay, let's magic for here.
This is the bird.
Ayaw tumingin. Look here. Yeah, Israel. Bakit ka? Sabi mo.
Pwede touch yan. Sigol. Eh. Dito ate, dito.
Dito kayo.
Dito banda.
Ito pa. Meron pa dito.
Zuri. Bili tayo nun ate yung dice. Meh. Yan, agad dyan.
Uy, ibigay mo.
Sige yan sabay, dyan. Yes.
Sige po. Bigay mo. Bigay mo. Yan. Bigay mo naman.
Kasi laki siya.
Oh, bigay mo. Yan, bigay mo. Bigay mo. Yan yung binili mo yung Brillo na iniyak-iyakan mo kasi
Oo nga,
papi.
ate.
Nalo ko yun.
Ate,
Can I buy them?
no.
You can cry.
You buy this.